What's going on, YouTube? So today I kind of wanted to spray some wheels. These are kind of just boring. The front were already black. The back ones are silver, so they're mismatched anyways. So I kind of wanted to do like a custom look to these just Chevy wheels. There's just a Blazer. Normal rim usually, but I think black is kind of boring at this point. I've done that. So kind of want to make a custom look maybe. But it's a good tire. Just something different instead of boring looking. I don't feel like buying rims. I already bought a couple anyways off the salvage yard just to have for extras. So I got extras if I need them. But anyways, I was thinking about spray painting these a little bit better. Make them look cool. So we're going to get into it. Keep your stand back far enough, you don't have to worry about runs. I think I learned that on Paint Society. Look bad. We'll let that set for a few. We're gonna wipe around the rim anyways to get the stuff off the tire. Maybe a little bit more wet. That works good. I thought that was gonna work a little easier. Steel wire brush works pretty good. Wow, it's warm. trying not to hit the wheel. I ended up wasting a bunch of tape just for that. It takes nothing to clean. Just don't let it sit on there because it'll be a lot more work. Not bad. We'll let it sit for a few minutes. Alright, it's been about 15-20 minutes. We're going to look at it, see what it looks like. We'll keep it, save it. I don't know. See what it looks like. Big reveal. Just want to see what it looked like. Keep it, save it. I don't know. I just wanted something different instead of the basic wheel look. Really don't look too shabby. Something different than your basic GM wheel. It's usually silver, so I think anything's better than that. We'll let it. Yeah, not bad. We'll see. If I do all of them, you'll know. Alrighty, that's cool enough. Thanks for watching. God bless.